Welcome to the heart of the operation. This is where the journey begins, transforming yesterday's vehicles into the railways of tomorrow.
Slow the gate down a little, we're filling too fast. Woo. Copy that, adjusting now.
Check the alignment on mode 12.
Looks good from here, sensor confirms it.
Check the alignment on mode 12.
Looks good from here, sensor confirms it.
Check the alignment on mode 12.
Looks good from here, sensor confirms it. We're looking for absolute precision on this batch. The readings are spot on.
Keep coming, you've got 3 feet of clearance. Set it down gently on the jig.
All right, easy now.
This one looks good, right within tolerance.
All right, I'll hit the next one with the grinder. Final check on the rail profile. It's precise. Good. I'll update the manifest.
Lower it slowly now. Clear on the left.
Clear on the left. Go ahead and set it down.
Keep lifting, keep lifting. All right, bring it over. Down, down, watch the stack.
Tighten that bolt down hard. Okay, I'm hitting the anchor now. Make sure the gauge is set right. Move it slightly to the west.
Okay, does the gauge look straight now?
Yes, that's perfect alignment. Tap it again right here. The calibration seems slightly off on the gauge.
Okay, I'm showing a deviation of 0.05.
Okay, tap it one more time, just a little. Right here?
Yeah, perfect. That's exactly where we need it.
Confirmed. Let's log it and move on.
Sledgehammer over here, secure this side.
Okay, lift it up. We are ready for the next one.
The gauge is showing 25 millimeters here. Check the alignment device down there.
How's the level looking over there?
Perfect alignment. We are good to go.
Excellent, let's move on.
Hold it right there.
Copy, holding steady.
All right, ease it down to the base.
Check the torque on that connection. Make sure it's 2 spec.
Reading green.
We're good to bundle this section. Look at this reading on the gauge.
Okay, I've got that marked. Keep moving.
Vibration levels look good here. Confirmed. The data aligns perfectly with the projection.
Make sure the line is straight right there.
Looks good, almost done with this section.
Operators clear stunt trace. Spin it better.
Signal test sequence initiated. Aspect showing green. Line clear. Proceed with speed increase to operational level.
Everything is running smoothly. All parameters are nominal. Confirmed. Confirmed. Good to go.
Milepost 42, train integrity confirmed.
Roger that. Noted.
Caliper reading is within tolerance, boss.
Excellent. Let's move to the next section and verify the cant.
This connects the whole region now.
Incredible work, everyone.
This connects the whole region now.
Incredible work, everyone.
This junction is critical for the eastern expansion. We need to ensure the signaling is integrated by Q3.
I agree. The current models show a potential bottleneck right here.
Man, I am beat.
Tell me about it. Ready for that weekend?
Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down 50 centimeters.
Clear on this side.
All that hard work paid off!
It looks amazing. Great job, everyone. Long day today. Tell me about it. Ready for that beer?